I've designed this to be a gentle, all-floor practice that gives you the means to take just a little bit of time for yourself. Now, in this video today, we are going to be doing somatic movements, so getting into our bodies, out of our heads a little bit. We'll be grounded, close to the floor, resourcing ourselves in our own bodies in the present moment of what is around us. And so at first, we're simply going to notice, where can you sense the breath in your body? Can you sense the breath around the area of your nostrils? Can you feel some air or movement there as you move in and out? You have a sense of breath in the area of your chest, perhaps lower down in the ribs or the belly. Nothing is wrong. There is no way to breathe that is incorrect. And then to help increase our awareness of that, we're going to do a simple arm movement in coordination with the breath. Press your hands together at the center. In yoga, we sometimes call this the heart center. And notice for a moment that you can feel the pressure of your hands, the warmth or whatever that feels with the two palms touching each other. That's part of our somatic experiencing, our mindful awareness. Exhale your next breath here. And then as you breathe in, open your palms, pushing the hands away from you any amount. And on an exhale, bring the palms back together. So this is called heart breathing. As you feel the inhale come in, you're pushing your hands away. And as soon as you start to sense your body exhaling, you move your hands back in. Let your breath be as natural as possible, coordinating the movement of the hands with the natural breath that you're already experiencing. Maybe you can start to pick up the rhythm. You can close your eyes if desired, or you can leave them open. Remember that you're not going in pace with me. You're breathing in, reaching apart. Exhaling, coming back together. If it's challenging to coordinate, no worries. It's totally okay. And one more. Take a breath in. And then gather as you breathe out. Okay, let's pause with the hands in the center for a moment. We're going to change that up a little bit, still moving the arms as we breathe, but now we're going to take this into a seated cat-cow, bringing more movement into the spine. So this time we'll start with the exhale. So take a natural breath in, interlace your hands, and then as you exhale, push the palms away from you, finding a rounded body. Now you can take a couple of breaths here to start. You're making your spine a C-curve. My chin is coming a little bit toward my chest. You're reaching away with both palms. And then as you inhale, this time take your arms open a little bit behind you, palms front, drawing your shoulder blades together a bit on your back so you're finding width and space across the front. And let's take a couple breaths here. So that's where we're going to go. We're going to inhale here. And then interlace the hands, reach in front, round the spine to exhale. Inhale, open up. Perhaps you reach the chest a little bit more forward and up as you inhale. And then exhale, round. As you inhale and reach your arms back, think of the idea of a cape. Yes, you are a superhero in all of your efforts that you make every day. And then exhale, round and reach forward. And let's do that one more time. Breathe in, open, create space. Hands together, exhale, round forward. Return to seated, perhaps take a moment. So this time, if you're able to sit cross-legged, have the left leg crossed or the left shin crossed in front. We're going to be twisting to your right, and you might notice just from a little bit of movement, it's easier to twist. You have more space. You're twisting away from this leg. And if you tried to twist in this direction, it's a little more constricted. So that's why we're being a little mindful of where the front leg is. It could be further away from you. It doesn't have to be a tight cross leg. So find the left leg in front. Find an upright spine. Sits bones are grounded, are helping you sit upright. You reach both hands forward, palms come to touch. And again, maybe just a little rubbing. Sense that when we touch parts of our body to each other, that helps us have increased somatic awareness, increased awareness of what's happening with our bodies. We're going to be turning or twisting around the ribcage, around the torso to your right. We're dragging the right hand. We're going to drag it along as we start to twist, and then let the hand rest in the center of the heart. And it's like a little guide helping you to twist toward your right. Come back, palms together. Take an inhale this time here. And as you exhale, slide the hand, palm rest center of the heart. Back through center. Last time, reach your palm, bring it to heart center. Use that as a little guide to your twist. And then drop your hands. Let your hands ground on your body, on the floor. With each inhale, feel like you get a little bit more height. You're a little taller in your twist. And your exhale, maybe you give it a little bit of ringing out, exploring that twist. Let's try that one more time. Inhale, feeling tall, feeling the breath travel down your body. Exhale, ring that out just a little bit more. All right, come back around to front. Before we do the second side, we're going to do a lateral stretch to your right. So we're going to start by letting the right hand drop to the earth, to the mat. Lean in that direction so that you can reach the ground. Now, if you can't reach, put a book, put a block, put something, a chair there so that you can reach, because we want to make that solid connection. That's important. Take your opposite hand, your left hand reaches toward the sky. You might think of reaching up for the energy of the sky, reaching down for the earth. So get long on your left side and then take a bit of a side lean into this. Breathing in and out here. And you can experiment with reaching the tips, some kind of wiggling them, the tips of your left fingers in one direction, sending your left hip to be grounded toward the floor. When you're ready to come up on an in-breath, reaching up tall first, and then exhaling, come back through to center. All right, we're going to switch the cross of the legs, support yourself on the ground, on the mat. Take your right shin in front this time. And remember, you can arrange this cross leg however is comfortable. Let it be loose if that is preferable. It helps you feel more stable. We're going to start with that twisting to the left, using that hands in front and our hand to help. Let's reach the palms together in front. Start to slide the left palm along the arm. Let it come to the heart, and then use that as a guide to keep twisting. Come back through to center. We'll add the breath this time, so breathe in here. As you exhale, slide your hand, rest it, twist. And then one more time we'll hold, breathe in here. Noticing that you're twisting around the area of your ribs. That's our thoracic spine. It's the part of our spine that has the most ability to twist. And we'll hold this time using our hands to support us in the twist. Gentle pressing down with the hands as you find a lifting of your spine. Breathe in as you find length in your spine. And as you exhale, maybe you take a little bit of teeny movement. Explore the wringing out and the twist. One more time, inhale, find length in the spine. Exhale, look for any amount of twist. And then we'll come back around to front to do our side stretch, our lateral. Your left hand this time finds contact. Right hand reaches up toward the sky, reaching long through the ribs now, reaching apart with the ribs as you lift, and then leaning over toward your bottom hand. Contact with your bottom hand, reaching with the top hand. Your gaze can be straight ahead, or you can turn your neck in any direction that feels comfortable. You can explore wiggling the top fingers, reaching with the fingers in one direction, the bottom hip in the opposite direction. And then when you're ready to rise, remember we're going to breathe in, let our breath in lift us up, lift the top arm up. Exhale and release. Shake that out a little. Bring your hands back to center. And then we're going to inhale, reach away. If you'd like to take the spine into it and reach forward with the spine, you can. Exhale, hands press back together. Inhale, reach away. Exhale together with your own breath pace. Let's do one more. This is the perfect time as we finish to offer yourself a little bit of gratitude for taking this time. Knowing that by taking this time to recharge, to refill your own cup, that helps you to be more there for the others in your life who need you. It helps you to be more present, to have more energy, to be more loving and giving.